So a military press is just an overhead press with a barbell. I want to be able to lift the barbell from the rack. So I'm going to change the height of the rack to be just below my collarbone height, I should say. So you just turn, pull out, and then make sure you put it back in the hole you want it to go into. They should be the same height. Sometimes it's a bit awkward getting it through the second hole and like you're at the gym and you get a bit like flustered. So don't stress, everyone does that. Just keep trying until it goes in. It will eventually go in the hole it's meant to. Okay, once they are the same height, bar on. So I want it so I can have the bar as high as possible, but I definitely don't want to have to do like a calf raise or a hop to get it off. So I want to just be able to walk in, take a little dip down, pick it up, and then I'm in my starting position. Hopefully you'll still be able to hear me. I'm going to take my microphone off because I don't want to crush it. I just realized I'm still wearing it. So I'm going to just kind of pin him up here. Hopefully that still works. So I'm going to come up to the bar. I want my hands to be in line with my shoulders or just a touch wider. I don't want them too close. I don't want them too wide. So shoulders or a touch wider, whatever kind of feels better for you is fine. I'm going to have my thumb go underneath and my fingers on top. And then make sure I'm centered. I can check the mirror. I can also check where I'm holding onto the bar. Centered, underneath, and then stand. You'll start elbows underneath the bar. You're going to stand nice and tall. And from here, don't take your nose off, but you're going to press straight up into the ceiling. So head goes back and then straight above your head to finish. Bring it back down, your collarbone, and then again, up and down. My feet are going to be reasonably wide, so I've got a good base of support. And I want to make sure that as I'm getting tired, I'm not starting to arch my back. Okay? I want to keep our core nice and strong. So it's kind of like you're doing a plank at the same time. When you're done, because you set up at the right height, you can just walk it in, hit the rack, and bring it down. And that's it. That's how you set up for military press. Okay, I understand that this is a 20 kilo bar and it might be a little too heavy for you, which is fine. 20 kilos is heavy for a head press. So if you feel like the 20 kilo bar is too heavy, then there are usually the smaller bars in the gym, like the pre-made ones that are like 10 kilos and stuff. You can also do an overhead press with dumbbells. Nothing wrong with that. My mic is now stuck to the rack. Oh dear. Okay, we're back. So you can do your military press with the pre-made like 10, some gyms might even have 5 kilo bars that you can practice with. You don't have to rack those ones, you can just pick them up. You can also just use dumbbells, totally fine. Dumbbells go all the way down to, half a kilo. So, or sometimes even smaller. So there will be a dumbbell you can do an overhead press with. Okay, that's it. Make sure you're using a weight that's appropriate for you. Anywhere between 5 to 15 reps is cool. And make sure you do appropriate rest times. And clean the bar when you're done.